Joe from Greenway has a panel question.
Well, he's skeptical about it.
Okay.
Not the panel, but Joe writes, several electrical companies have recommended I get a new panel because it's showing signs of oxidation. I don't want to go inside a panel. There are funnier ways to die, he says. Joe wants to know, is this true or are they just trying to sell an expensive something?
There's some panels out there that are old and need to be replaced. And so if it's been outside and is getting really in bad shape, they can be a problem. I don't see it. I don't know exactly what brand it is because there are brands. I think on our website we have brands that are listed that need to be replaced. So that would be one place to go. And, of course, when it comes to panel replacement, that's when you get an electrician for sure.
You want to get Right Touch Electrical out there. Will is the one who gave us the list of those bad panels that are on there. And you know what? Will was here just, yesterday, day before recording?
I got to do a video for it.
Well,
today.
he was, and he said that he was telling me how your electrical use doubles every 20 years. And if your panel is 20 years old, it's undersized for what you're using in your house. So
probably true.
So I guess, Joe, no, they're not trying, depending on who it is, but you ought to get a second opinion from Right Touch Electrical. You think?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. But if it needs to be replaced, then save the money up and replace it. Do you have to do it tomorrow? Probably not, but I would start putting it on the to-do list.
All right. Well, don't put it off. The woman in the video that Tom is referring to that's on our website, by the time you see this, it's on our website, she had an electrical problem, and she could have punted it, and she took care of it. You'll see why in the video. All right, you got a question, send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.